The Norway Child Services have recommended that the children of the NRI couple, that's the Bhattacharyas, be handed over to their uncle. The final decision, however, will be taken by the court, the hearing of which is scheduled for the 23rd of March.
The Child Welfare Service has completed the talks with the uncle, and they have concluded that the care of two children should be awarded to the brother, and the father enabling him to take the children back to India. Well, this recommendation from the Child Welfare Service needs to be approved by the court of Stavanger, and we have a court hearing at the 23rd of March. This is a big step forward, and it's a joyful moment for the Bhattacharya. The Child Welfare Service will ensure the necessary legal framework and the follow-up procedures to safeguard the children's best interests when coming back to India. So some paperwork is still to be done before we go to court with this recommendation.